Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create a cafe logo in Canva. So let's start. First, you will have a link in the description for this program called Canva. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click create design and I'll write the logo. Okay, when I have it, I will find here, you see like food drink logo that we could use, restaurant logo. And we are trying to find cafe here, but we don't have cafe here, so I will just choose here the food and drink logo, and I'll write like cafe. And you can see it here, it creates us like really many templates that we could use. So I don't know, this one is pretty, but when you see it here, when it's not free, you need to pay like €1. Or I mean, this is kind of pretty and it's free, so I would just write here Marcus Stone. Coffee and more. I like this. Let's try a different color. No, this one is the best. Then I would just download it like this. Okay. And voila, here you got it. Really easy, really simple. And now you can choose like plenty of different ones. I don't know, this one is pretty if you are making coffee by yourself. Or even this one is pretty. And this one is for free. And you can go to elements and write here coffee, and you can find like plenty of various elements here that you can use. Also, like these are for like €1, or you need to go try Canva Pro for 30 days for free. So it's really up to you. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes.